Let's recreate this cascading effect in Cavalry, just a system of copies reacting to one change. Start with a text shape. You need a clean starting point, otherwise everything breaks later. Make it big and center it. Now add a duplicator. With a single shape, nothing moves. Copies are what create the effect. Set the distribution to point. Now all the copies are stacked in the same position, so any movement you see later won't come from position but from behavior. Increase the count. More copies means more visible motion. Now the key part. Add a path offset behavior. This is what allows each copy to move along its path. Add a stagger. Now each copy gets a different value. The difference is the entire effect. Set the range from -1100 to -30. Negative values push each copy backwards along the path. That's what creates the trail. Now animate it. Add a frame behavior to the offset. The offset changes over time and the system starts moving. Finally, turn off the fill and enable the stroke. You don't need the shape, you need to see the motion. Adjust the stroke width until the movement is clearly readable. And that's it. You are not building something complex. You are just duplicating a shape, offsetting each copy differently and animating that offset.